welcome to page 10. For number one, just a reminder, we're going to be dealing with one half of the fraction, either the top with two missing pieces, or we're going to be dealing with the bottom half with only one missing piece. And math, we like to start where it's easier. We're going to deal with the bottom half because there's only one missing piece. Okay, let's ask yourselves the question. 2 times what equals 12? 2 times the number equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. Where does that 6 also go? Right above it. These two numbers have to be equal in order for this worksheet to work out. Okay, we're almost done. What is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 6, 42. All right, number 2. Where do we start? We're going to start with the bottom. 5 times the number equals 15. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Let's bring that 3 to the top. 9 times 3. What is 9 times 3? It's 27. All right, good job. Let's move to number 3. Where am I going to be starting? Am I starting with the top or the bottom? Let's start with the bottom. 6 times a number is 54. 6 times 9. 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. Let's bring that 9 back to the top. These are now equal. What is 1 times 9? No multiplication chart necessary. You already know it. 9. Good job. Number 4. Where do we start? We're not starting with the bottom. Let's start with the top. 3 times a number equals 6. 3 times the number equals 6. What is that number? 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's bring that 2 to the bottom. 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2, 8. Good. Number 5. Do I start with the bottom or the top? We're going to deal with the top. 5 times a number equals 15. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Let's bring that 3 to the bottom there. These two are now equal. That's what we like to see. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 18. Number 6, we're going to be dealing with the bottom. 7 times the number is 35. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Where does the 5 go? Right there. And now we can complete our equation. 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, good job. Let's try number 7. Where am I going to be starting? Do I start with the bottom or the top? Yep, let's start with the bottom. 9 times what is 18? 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, let's bring this 2 to the top. And now we have 4 times 2, which is 8. Just like that. Number 8, we're going to be dealing with the top first. 2 times a number is 16. 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Let's bring this 8 to the bottom. And now we have 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. All right, last 2 questions here. We're going to be dealing with the top half of this fraction. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4. Let's bring that 4 down. And now we have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. All right, number 10. We're going to be covering up the bottom. Let's deal with the top first. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. Let's bring that 7 down. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. All right, tough worksheet. Good job. You stuck with me. We have now completed page number 10. I will see you on page number 11.